Speaking of those allergies, it's that time of the year where many people deal with spring allergies.
And with this kind of weather, the symptoms can kick up even more. Local health experts say it is important to treat your allergies safely, though. KTSM 9 News reporter Tatiana Favela live in West El Paso, where she continues our team coverage.
Well, you can see behind me these brown skies, literally a dusty and hazy visibility that we've all been seeing throughout the day. Now, local allergy experts actually mentioned that wearing our mask could add another protection or filter against the dirt. However, are recommending to people to take caution in how they're treating their allergies.
Usually the beginning of March through April, we see patients because the tree pollens are going up, the grass pollen will start picking up soon as we've gotten warmer. So more people are suffering with that.
Allergy season in full effect, but add winds, dust, and gust on top of that. Local allergy experts say allergic trees are starting to grow for spring season, producing a lot of pollen already.
If we wear the mask like we have with COVID right now, that's at least a filter, so it'll block some of what your nose is inhaling.
While the borderland deals with Tuesday's dust storm, there are some other alternatives to help clear congestion.
We recommend that they do nasal saline rinses after they're outside to at least flush out what's been trapped by the mucus, which is the protective mechanism that we have.
The physician assistant at Southwest Allergy and Asthma Associates says typically many people buy over-the-counter products to relieve allergies. However, it's best to avoid using multiple products that can cause harm to your health and get a specialized treatment from professionals.
There's different medicines, even though they're over the counter, they can affect your blood pressure. Some medicines make people drowsy and they don't know. So we have a little better specialized, information to help the right combination.
And if you deal with allergies, some tips to avoid your symptoms from flaring up include staying indoors as much as possible, washing up frequently, and starting your treatment early if you can. Live in West El Paso, Tatiana Favela, KTSM 9 News.